interior angles, then alternate exterior angles, same side exterior angles, supplementary, corresponding angles equal. Watch this slide. I have discussed this in my earlier videos also. So this C becomes equals to A plus B because alternate angles. Now what is A, you know? A equals to 2C upon 5, but C you know 75. So A becomes 2 into 75 upon 5. 5 1 the 5, 15 the 15 to the 30. So A equals to 30. Now you have got it. A you have got it 30. But C equals to A plus B. You already know. We have just seen it. So 75 equals to 30 plus B. A is 30. So B equals to what? 45 degrees. Take 30 on this side. It becomes 45. Now we got B. That is 45. Now what we have to find out? B plus D upon 2. Out of that B we have got. Now we want D. Now line L is parallel to line M. Right? It's given. So what happens? B and D become interior angles. Just we saw. See this. Same side interior angles. They are inside the parallel lines and same side of the transversal. So they become supplementary. Means their total is 180 degrees. So B plus D becomes 180 degrees because interior angles. So next is what? B is what? 45. D you don't know. So B plus 45 plus D equals to 180. Therefore take 45 this side. D equals to 135. But we want D by 2. So D upon 2 equals to 135 by 2 equals to divided 67.5. You get it. So D by 2 you got it. That's it then. B plus D by 2 equals to 45 plus 67.5. Right? That is 112.5. Pause this video and see this problem again because it's a bit difficult, this part. Okay? Also, this slide is very much important to you. Total there are 5 angles which you should always remember. Alternate interior, same side interior, alternate exterior, same side exterior, corresponding angles. Out of these 3 are regularly used. Alternate, then interior angles and corresponding angles. These 2 are rarely used, but then also you must remember. Download Yuaguru app from Play Store to get its videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for purchases. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.